Here we are, we're down in the basement of the Ventura model here in Chatham Hills. Come, let's take a quick tour. As you have here, nice, super open, walkout basement. Glorious view. You got your nice big screen TV. One thing to remember about this property itself is all the furniture comes with it. It's priced at $3.2 million. You get it all. Let's take a tour over here. Something unique you're not going to get in most properties here. You get your own indoor golf simulator. I mean, you're living on a golf course in Chatham. Why not get the golf simulator that's with it? After a few rounds on the golf course with your buddies, come on over. Got your own wet bar here. Relax, enjoy, living the good life here.